Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we're installing our Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, they are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove 2 factory screws from the fender as shown. Next, attach the lower hole of your mud flap to the fender using a large stainless steel washer, screw, and a nylon spacer. Make sure that the spacer is on the back of the flap and against the fender liner during this process. With the flap now roughly in place, loosely secure the top of the flap using an offset washer, stainless steel screw, and 2 nylon spacers. Like with the last step, make sure the nylon spacers are on the back of the flap and against the fender liner during this process. As well, ensure you use the outer hole of the offset washer and install it so the washer applies proper pressure to the outside of the flap. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Finally, once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Finally, hold the mud flap firmly against the liner, then use a 1/4 inch bit to drill through the liner and the flap as shown. Once the hole is drilled, place a machine screw and a small stainless steel washer through the front of the flap. Then secure it through the back using a small stainless steel washer, lock washer, and nut. Tighten this hardware with a 5/16 socket and a 3/8 wrench. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.